Hi, I'm Christina Chu. I'm the Computer and Web Specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a formula using Microsoft Word. Now, if we open our Microsoft Word here, we'll already have a table set up, and it says day 1 equals 25, day 2 equals 30. And on the bottom it says total. Now we want to put the total in the total box, so we're going to select the box right here, click on Data. In the Layout tab, click on Data. And inside Data, you'll see Formula. So we're going to click on Formula. And we're going to make it into the sum. So it'll be equal sign, the word sum, and in the parentheses, it's going to be above. So right there, and then click on OK. And now you see that it's now the sum. And if you want to do other formulas, say the average, just click on the box where you want the average to be, click on Data, Formula, erase the original formula you have, click on Equal, Average, and then Above, and then click on OK. Now you'll see it's changed to the average of the two boxes. Right. So that is how you make a formula using Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Christina Chu.